Right, hello and welcome back. This is another video just explaining a little bit about what's happened to my truck recently, because I've not posted a video in a long time. Yeah, basically I was driving it, lost all drive all of a sudden. Now, this clutch, as you can see right here, I stripped the splines completely out the centre of it. Now, company who made it gave me a free replacement. That's what it should look like. Don't know why this happened, no idea. Even the company are baffled by it because they've never had this happen to one of theirs. But I thought, while I'm changing the clutch, I may as well put a bit of a stronger gearbox in. So what we have here is the original L200 2.5 gearbox. There's actually nothing wrong with it, but just the ratios are a little bit high, so it's revving quite a bit when I'm like cruising. This is a 2.8 Pajero gearbox. Obviously you can see the bell housing's much larger, different bolt pattern. The actual gearbox itself is 10 times more meaty. But yeah, I thought I'd just explain a few differences between these two gearboxes. Well, one of the differences is clear to see. This one is nearly twice as big. I think this is around 7 inches longer. So obviously I've got to do a lot of prop shaft modifications. A few good things about this is the gear sticks are exactly the same and in exactly the same location, so I haven't got to do any modifying for that. The front prop shaft is nigh on identical length, but the rear one, obviously you can see this is a hell of a lot longer, so I'm going to have to cut the rear prop shaft probably 6 or 7 inches. Another difference is the flanges on the back are absolutely massive. As you can see, that's that one. No, it's not that one. But yeah, this is basically too big. So I had to go and get some different prop shafts and cut the knuckles off so I can make them work. But yeah, we're going to try and get it in this now. Another difference, I'll show you over here. So this is the original adapter plate that you've probably seen in previous videos that I used to run. You can see like there's very minimal holes for the bell housing. This is a new one that I've just installed. So this is a new adapter plate. This is M57 to 2.8 Pajero adapter plate. As you can see, there's many more holes. Obviously for the different bell housing. I've just bolted this up. I've got to obviously bolt the starter motor in. I'm going to get the flywheel on, the clutch on, and then hopefully get this gearbox in the next hour. So another big difference, really big difference with these gearboxes is this clutch fork that was in here is a push style one, so obviously it pushes the bearing that way. Slave cylinder bolts here and then pushes the fork, so it operates in that kind of movement. With this type of one, I've had to do a lot of modifying in here. This was a pull style clutch, so basically the bearing starts here and then pulls the pressure plate out. I've had to basically use a 2.8 bearing housing and a L200 clutch, not clutch, sorry, a bearing, modify them both together. So that's the first piece of modifying. Then I've had to make a custom clutch fork with flipped ends here, just so it is now a push style. Now another thing with this is I've had to make a bracket here for the slave cylinder. So obviously the slave cylinder on the 2.8 bolts here and pushes this way, and now it bolts here and pushes this way instead. This has taken me a long time to figure this out, but it's all done now and I can tell it works. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and get this gearbox in now, and we'll go from there really. Even if you get the front on one roll. Yeah, there we go, front one there. Yeah, go on. So move this step, kick that one out of the way. You got it, Rob? Yeah, I'm just trying to move one. Go on. Yeah. Go on, right, one big E. Right. Alright, if I choose hook from the top of the thing. Right, hang on, boys. Right, you sat on there? Yeah. Right, hold it there. Right, which fucking thing is that? There, roll up. Right, this side is hooked in one of the little holes. So this ain't going nowhere. Now push this over a little bit, Steph. There we go. You good, boys? Well, fucking gold in there, bro. Actually, ain't going nowhere. Right, if I... Right, I'd say it's a shame that the ramp doesn't. yeah, I know. Right, this should. Yeah, we should push it. I'm just gonna hold this if you boys push it. Yeah. Make sure it doesn't step off, right? Yeah, I'm watching it, mate. These things are just fucking terrible. Alright. Steady, boys. Honestly, take your time. I don't want to hurt yourself. Yeah, all good. Right, we've got to come over this way a bit. Your back end or both ways? The front as well a little bit, just a smidge. That's it there. Right. Yeah? Got to come forward, have we? Yeah. Alright. Oh, that's probably about there. This is sketchy, oh yeah, this is sketchy. Mate, this is gonna be sketchy because we're gonna have like no room to move. Right, just watch everything. If you see anything touch, shut up. Oh. I think she's touching the bucket. Oh no, she's about to. There's a bolt right here. Oh yeah, fuck me. There's this bit here. There's a bolt off the exhaust in it in a minute.
Oh, it's fucking miles off.
Oh, we touched the exhaust and went past it, that's all.
Oh, that's alright.
Right, we kind of... Ah, that's what we did. Oh my god.
It's fucking tight.
Yeah.
It is on this bar as well.
Yeah, I think what I need to do.
Once that goes past it,
I think what I need to do is get this gearbox twisted where it should be.
Yeah.
This, I think, is going to sit here.
Yeah.
Fingers tapping on here as well. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't want it to slip off. So that's pretty much it for the gearbox video for this truck. It's been a nightmare, it's killed me, Steph and Rob. I think I was a solid 23 hours on it. I wouldn't want to do it again, but if it comes to it, I'll have to. Everything seems to be working now. It's obviously a few days later now, and I've been driving it, and it's been perfect. Fifth gear seems a bit longer now. I'm still going to get longer ratio diffs. I've actually got a chap that's helping me with some longer ratio diffs, but yeah, it seems to be stronger, seems to take the power better. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, because I've checked my stats and 90% of people that watch my videos are not subscribed. But yeah, make sure you subscribe if you like my videos, and yeah, let's go from there. We'll keep building some cool shit.